So today we are going to be taking blueberries, and my wife can't send them overseas because they take up to about 3 months to arrive, so it's going to make them spoil. So what she's going to do instead, she's going to turn it into a juice. Ta-da! And here we have it, blueberry juice. Alright, so that's cool, but you saw how much we used the blueberries and we still have all this. So what are we going to do with all these extra blueberries? We are going to make homemade, hand-cut blueberry soap. Are you excited? Because I am. My wife makes the best soap in the world. I don't care who you are, what your company is, but this is the best soap in the world. So, alright, let's get started. And when my wife makes soap, this is what she uses. It's a company called doTERRA. So if you want to support a company that does a lot of good in the world, and I do mean the world, go for this brand. So what she's using is, starting from the left to the right, which this is your left, okay? We are using geranium, rosemary, wild orange, and petitgrain. So soap is basically a chemical reaction between fatty substances and oils with lye. And what my wife uses, oh my goodness, look at that, that's so good. Premium blend, alright? Extra virgin olive oil. Everybody knows how good virgin is, right?
And shea butter.
Oh yeah, we got shea butter too. The real deal, not the garbage stuff that you buy at the Walmart either. So
Coconut oil.
hard oil, coconut oil, soft oil, virgin olive oil. So we're just mixing together right now the hard oils with the soft oils in the glass beaker right here.
So we're gonna start. You see, I don't know. I need the 15.
So we're adding the water to the blueberries.
This is distilled water. We don't just
Distilled
use
water.
any other water but distilled water. And I need about okay, that's it.
So here we are mixing the blueberry juice that's got water in it, and this white stuff here is
Lye.
the lye.
You have to remember, oh, look at that. You have to remember that you have to put the lye to the water, not the water to the lye. It's a bit more slow. I can smell that. This is the color, okay. Color it produced.
So I want to make a special note here that when my wife is working, I want you to take note she's wearing not just gloves. She's got long sleeves on, and she's also wearing an apron. So this way, when you're working with lye, it's just safe. She's also wearing eye protection and a mask.
My Google. Don't show my face.
So right here, she's checking the temperature. It's a little bit high right now, and this is in Celsius. So she's got to get it down between 35 degrees and 42 degrees Celsius. So I'm just going to give a quick shot of this. This is a pH test strip. So when the soap is done, she knows the pH level to know if it is safe for people to use or not. So these are your strips. And this tells you the pH level. So because the temperature is way too hot, what she's doing here is she's got a little bit of ice water going on, and she's got this submerged into it, and she's going to mix it. This is going to help drop the temperature down.
And don't mix it, I just use the water to give it a bath.
Yeah, she's just using the water and the ice as a coolant outside the beaker. Nothing inside. We also have to measure the temperature of the oils, which should be between 35 and 43 degrees Celsius. And that's what we're doing right now.
Still high?
It's still quite a bit high right now.
Okay, gotta wait.
So the temperatures, they don't have to be the same. They both just have to be below 43 degrees Celsius, but greater than 35 degrees Celsius before you put them together. They don't have to be the same temperature. So now my wife's mixing colin clay with the soft oils that she's got over here.
I'm getting it ready. Set it aside. More ice then.
More ice to cool it down. It's not quite cold enough yet.
This is what we call the lye solution. Okay, this is the lye, the blueberry juice, and like 30% water. This we have to use distilled water, not just any water. Use distilled water, and then we're going to mix it with the oil. Okay, this solution to the oil. Okay. And you need every drop of it. That's why you need your, what do you call this?
Spatula.
Spatula. Okay. I'm excited for the result. I didn't even know.
Can't wait to see how it turns out.
Yeah. Just mix it a little bit. This is the color.
So here we're using a stick blender, because otherwise you'll be sitting here for hours just mixing and mixing and mixing, and nobody has time to be doing that all night or all day. So we're just mixing everything together right now. And now we're just going to mix the colin clay in there. This is going to give it a really nice smooth lather. You can shave with it too.
Yeah, that's true.
Every last little bit counts. Watch how quick this disappears. There it goes. now we're mixing the doTERRA essential oils into the soap batch.
Okay.
This is what's going to give it a beautiful smell.
You smell that?
Yeah, it smells good already.
Wow, I love it. I love that smell.
That is gorgeous. Literally a work of art. It's what we're watching unfold right before our eyes. Even though what you see there looks like it's brown or looks kind of like caramel, that is really having blueberries in it. After pouring the soap into the mold, we let the soap butter sit inside these molds for 24 hours.
Then we unroll it.
Then all we gotta do is pop them out of the molds.
See
You
that?
gotta be careful because you don't want to break the small spots there.
Oh, look at that.
Gorgeous. Remember how she put the layers inside the mold? That's what the end product is right here. Gorgeous.
It's still soft.
Still is a little bit soft. This is why we have to let it sit for a while before we actually go out and sell it. It's very soft, very brittle. So this is the fixture that we have for cutting the soap. It's got these little slots here, a little block to keep the soap in place. And you just have to push that little metal blade down through the soap. And this is what the inside's gonna look like. So this is going to yield about 10 bars for this brick of soap.
Still,
it's pretty easy to cut because of how soft it is, which is why you need to let it sit for about 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, about 3 to 4 weeks. That looks good.
Wow, smells good.
So this is what the soap's going to look like after it's been sliced through. And now that we're done with this section, next we have to let it sit for 3 to 4 weeks so it hardens up, because right now it's really soft. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And if you're interested in either doTERRA oil or purchasing any of the soap in this video, I'll include links in the description part below.